Hello and welcome to the short video on the Kupo Slim Type Mighty Swivel Coupler. When it comes to the best couplers in the game, Kupo's name should be at the top of the list. They are unmatched in terms of quality, strength, and precision. The Slim Type Mighty Swivel Coupler consists of two couplers joined together by a swivel joint and are used to join pipes, otherwise known as metal tubes or pipes, to trusses, which are made from tubes. The larger of the two solid metal couplers can accommodate tubing from 51 to 60 millimeters. Kupo's optional coupler insert adapters allow you to use a 1.5-inch pipe in this 2-inch coupler. The smaller of the two couplers can accommodate tubing from 32 to 38 millimeters. The swivel that joins the two couplers gives you 360-degree rotational freedom. This coupler weighs only 1.4 pounds, but supports a mighty 264 pounds. Let's attach two tubes at a right angle. The Slim Type Mighty Coupler allows you to quickly join two different diameters of pipe together with the flexibility of a 360-degree swivel. Keep a bunch of these handy for all your pipe rigging needs. Now that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. When it comes to your image making dreams and your grip equipment, at Kupo we like to say, never let go.